Welcome back to Learn Stuff TV, guys, and today we're going to be showing you exactly how to make your very own homemade hand sanitizer. Now listen, with everything that's happening out there with the outbreak of the corona, everyone is grabbing up hand sanitizers off the shelf just like that, and it's hard to be found. All right, so I went to my local convenience store, my supermarket, the pharmacies, and nowhere had hand sanitizers this morning. All right, not even alcohol, no Lysol, nothing could be found. And you know, right now you need to make sure that your hands are sanitized properly. All right, as a result of this coronavirus outbreak. All right, so while I was on this hunt searching, trying to find hand sanitizer, I had to resort to something I learned in physics class back in high school, and that was how to make my very own homemade hand sanitizer. And I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. And these items that we're going to be using today are things that you should already have home. If not, you should be able to find these in your store. All right, and the very first thing you're going to need a bowl. You're going to need some alcohol. All right, thank God I had this in my medicine cabinet. It's not full, but it's enough. All right, and your alcohol needs to be at least 70%. All right, at least 70% or 90%, between 70 and 90. You're gonna need some aloe vera gel, and you're also going to need some essential oil. All right, and these are the ingredients that you're gonna need in order to make your very own homemade hand sanitizer. Now you're gonna need a little bottle as well. You know, it doesn't have to be like this, but something that you could just squeeze out or just store your hand sanitizer in. So let's rest that over there. The next thing is you need to remember, make sure that whatever you're mixing your hand sanitizer in, make sure that it's very clean. All right, because then that would defeat the purpose of making hand sanitizer with something that is not clean. All right, so the purpose of the aloe vera is to make sure that it just keeps your hand moist. All right, because you know, restores moisture. All right, that's the purpose for the aloe vera. The purpose for the essential oil is just for scent. It does absolutely nothing as far as sanitizing your hands, but this is just to add a little bit of scent to your hand sanitizer. Now this is actually what is important, the alcohol. All right, so we're gonna add all these mixtures in, and let's do this right now. All right, so we're gonna pour a little bit. So I'm not gonna be making too much because I'm just putting some in this bottle right here. So let's put our aloe vera in. Let's open this up and squeeze some aloe vera in. Now you could put as much as you want depending on how thick you want it to be, right? Or you could put as little as you want depending on if you want it to be sprayable or not. All right, so that's my aloe added right there, and now I'm just gonna add some alcohol to this mixture. Now I'm pouring my alcohol in, and then I'm just gonna mix everything right in. Make sure you mix the aloe in with the alcohol to give it that nice uniform look. And once you have it all mixed in just like so, now is when you're gonna be adding in, see, it has that nice thick look. Now is when you're gonna be adding in your essential oil. Now the essential oil, like I said, is just to give it a little bit of scent. Now you're just gonna need a couple drops. All right, and this is just essential oil, energy 100% pure. All right, natural. All right, and this right here just adds a little bit of scent to your hand sanitizer. You're gonna mix that in. And once you have it all mixed in, all right, perfect, you're gonna pour it into your bottle. All right, so let's pour it into my bottle right here. Now, like I said, you could make it thicker or you could make it sprayable. It's all up to you. Let's give it a shake. It's all up to you how thick you want it to be, or if you want it to be sprayable. Now once you have that right there is all it takes, and that is your own homemade hand sanitizer. smells perfect, and your hand isn't too dry. It's nicely moist, and that's how you make your very own homemade hand sanitizer. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if there's something you ever want to learn how to do, come right back to Learn Stuff TV and figure out how you can learn stuff today.